Our grandma goat just gave birth to twins.
So, unexpectedly, I came outside and I was just feeding the animals. I was gonna spend some time with them out here. And right before I was gonna go in, I heard goats screaming. And we have one little pasture part blocked off, and it was screaming from over there. So I jumped the fence and got in there and I was gonna get them out, and I looked down and I saw blood, and I thought Grandma hurt herself, and then I looked down and saw a baby. She had a baby there, then we moved them, and then she had a baby over here on this side that you saw. But we are very, very glad that they had the babies before we left, and now we get to keep you guys updated on the new twins.
Grandma just gave birth, and it looks like she's about to have another one. Grandma had twins.
Maybe triplets, we don't know.
So here are the twins Grandma had. She cleaned them up. Now they're just hanging out in the barn. They're so tiny. So the one on the right is the female, and then the darker one is the male. So it's pretty awesome to have another set of twins around here. Like I said earlier, the whiter one, that's the female, and the darker one is the male. The male came out first. Like Jason mentioned, they're gonna be going out of town this week. I have to work all week, so when I get home tomorrow, I'm gonna try to come out here and check on them. It's probably gonna be dark, but we'll keep you updated throughout the week and let you know how they're doing.